Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna see how to make Labane or cream cheese. It's easy and very simple. But before we start, if this is your first time here, please subscribe. Thank you and let's cooking. Okay, basically labne is a strained yogurt and I'm gonna show you how. I have here around 1.5 liters of plain natural yogurt, and if you wanna know how to make natural yogurt, I'm gonna leave the link down below. Put 1 spoon of salt on the yogurt and mix it up. In a muslin bag, like you see in the video, or a cotton bag, put the yogurt on it. After that, close the bag and leave it in for at least 12 hours. It may take 24 hours to drain. You can leave it drain on the fridge or hang the bag on the balcony or anywhere else in your house. It's depends the weather. If it's too hot, leave it drain on the fridge. If it's cold, you can leave it outside. Every 2 or 3 hours, check out the liquid that came out from the yogurt and throw it away. After 12 hours or so, I'm gonna show you how it became. As you see, it's drained and became more thicker with a sour taste. Take it out and put it on a plate. We usually eat labne with olive oil, but if you don't like the olive oil, you can eat it like this with pita bread. It's very delicious to make sandwiches from it. That's all for today, my friends. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please leave it in the comment area. Thank you and bon appetit.